Do More Designer has added secure email with SSL and TLS encryption. This feature is only supported on BRX CPUs with an onboard Ethernet port, and that CPU must have a Do More technology version of 2.2 or higher. Check under System Configuration to verify that your CPU has been updated to meet this requirement. This will allow you to use most modern email servers with the PLC. In this video, I will set up an email client using the popular Gmail server and trigger a quick test email. First, we must set up the DNS server in Do More. I'm going to make this change in NetEdit, but you can also do this from the CPU configuration. I would advise using your internet service provider's DNS, but if you're unsure of what that is, you can use Google's as shown here. Now that we have this set up, go into your system configuration, and under Device Configuration, select New Device. Then select Add an SMTP Client. Now give your device a name. The rest of this information I got directly from Gmail, which you'll need to do with your individual email provider. Enter in your server name. Enable the encryption if that is what your email server requires. Verify that you have the correct server port. This comes directly from your email service provider. Enter in the email address associated with this email account. If your email requires login, select Authentication Login and enter in your username and password. Select to verify your server configuration. Now there is a very important distinction here. This is testing your server settings from the PC using the designer software. You will need to conduct a test email from the PLC to verify that those settings work with your PLC's network connection. Let's drop a simple test email instruction into the ladder code. Select the device we created before. Fill out all the fields that you'll need for your email. One thing that you'll want to make sure of, if you're entering direct text, it must be contained inside of quotation marks. If not, this instruction will think that you're using a tag. Just remember, text needs quotation marks. You can also attach a file. This could be very useful if you're trying to email your log files. Make sure to give your instruction unique C bits for success and error. These are very important to verify that you're getting good communication and to troubleshoot this instruction. Accept the instruction. Since this is just a test email, I'm going to trigger the instruction with a rising C bit. Trigger your instruction, and you should see a success. If you do not, go back and verify your SMTP settings with your email account. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment below or call into our technical support department. If you'd like to see more videos on the Do More platform, select here and click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.